Welcome everyone to Mumbai's International Literary Festival, the 11th Tata Literature Live, the Mumbai Litfest. This time is a one-week event, not a four-day event, starting on Monday evening, that's the 16th of November, and ending Sunday night, 22nd November. It will be, as you might well guess, completely digital. The pandemic gives us no choice, but we are making the best of it. In fact, we are doing better than the best. We've got 89 sessions, including 6 performances, so 83 sessions in all. We have a children's festival, which we call the Little Festival. We have workshops. We go to colleges and have college campus lectures. All of this in that 1 week. And when you look at the roster of people we have coming to the festival, the kind of writers and speakers from all over the world, you will not believe it. Let me be immodest for a minute and say that this is probably the best lineup of people that any literary festival in India has ever got. Well, don't take my word for it. Look at the list for yourself. We have people from a lot of writers from the US, which normally we do not get because of the huge distances they have to travel. This, of course, brings a little of a problem for us too with the multiple time zones that the US has, with differences of 12 hours, 12 and a half hours. But our scheduling has been done. You don't have to get up in the middle of the night. You can watch and hear the festival at reasonable hours, right through the day, in the evening, till reasonably late at night. I don't want to mention any names because I think it's difficult to pick out a few names from the whole roster of people we have. But I'll just mention one because it came as a huge surprise for us, a very, very great surprise, which is Sir Roger Penrose, the great physicist. He had agreed to come and give a talk, and we'd all put his name in and so on. And suddenly he got the Nobel Prize for physics this year. So greeted by all of us with whoops of joy. We have had Nobel Prize winners before, but not the immediate one. And this is great news. But of course, we have Pulitzer Prize winners, we've got Booker Prize winners, we've got people from so many different countries in Europe as well. UK, of course, is well represented. And we thought a few years ago that maybe the word literary, which is part of our title, is somewhat limiting because ours is really a festival of ideas. It's not just about literature. Of course, literature is the main event, but we have, like Penrose, we have physicists, we have neurologists, we have people who have studied sleep, so experts on the brain, on sleep. We have people who talk of the chaos theory, string theory, all kinds of things. So it's a festival of ideas, which we hope will provoke you, will strike new thoughts in your head, which will make you want to read books across the field. It'll get you to novels. It'll get you to read poetry. It'll get you to read nonfiction. It'll get you to read diverse subjects. And that is something which we have done now for 10 years. And I hope it will continue this year as well. So look forward to all of you being there. Log on to it. We will be on all social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So it's going to be painless. There's no compulsory registration. But if you do register through the website, there'll be added benefits which you can test for yourself. So look forward to having you with us. Remember the dates, 16 November to 22nd November, 2020. See you then.